everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. From basic to advanced techniques, my goal is to help you gain confidence and excel in your data career. So, let's start and grow together. Find top 5 most revenue earning products. Here we have a product table which has a product ID, product category, product name, and revenue column. Let's see in the practical how we can get it. So let's go. So let's execute this statement. Here we have a product table which has 20 records. Now to get top 5 revenue earning products, there are multiple ways by which we can get it. One is we can use limit function. So let's see. Select everything from products order by revenue descending limit 5. We are using order by clause which will sort revenue column in descending. Therefore, we will get highest value on top. Limit function is used to limit the number of records in the output. Here we want only 5 records. Therefore, I have mentioned limit 5. So select everything from products, order by revenue, descending limit 5. First, we will execute this only this much statement which will arrange revenue column in descending. We got highest revenue products on top, that is mobile Apple 5 lakh, mobile Samsung 3 lakh, fashion jeans 2,50,000, mobile Motorola 2 lakhs, mobile Lenovo 2 lakhs, electronics TV 2 lakhs, electronic mixture 1,50,000 and so on. Here we want to get only top 5 products. So 1, 2, 3, and these 3 products will share the same number 4 and this one is 5. That means at the output we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records because these 3 products has the same revenue 2 lakhs. So let's see the output. Here we got only 5 records because limit 5 will limit the number of records in the output. Next, we will try with the rank window function which will assign number to each row. Select everything, comma rank over order by revenue descending as top selling products from products table. So let's execute this statement. You can see it assign unique number to each row. So here this is rank 1, 2, 3 and these 3 products has the same revenue, therefore they are sharing the same rank 4. But the next rank is 7, not 5, because rank window function assigns the same rank to row which has equal values. So it is assigning 4 to all these rows which has same revenue and skips the number of position after records with the same rank number. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it skips 5, 6 and the next number is 7 assigned to next highest revenue. To get next rank as 5 instead of 7, we will use dense rank window function which assigns the same rank to equal values without gap, which will result in consecutive ranks. That means it will show 5 instead of 7 without skipping the rank. Let's try with the dense rank function. Select everything dense rank over order by revenue descending as top selling products from products table. Let's execute this statement. You can see it has assigned 1, 2, 3 and rank 4 for all 3 products which has same revenue, and the next rank it has assigned 5. Other is 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Here we want to show only top 5 products, and therefore we will use the condition where top 5 revenue products are less than equal to 5. Keep this statement in the subquery and will execute. This will give only top 5 products 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way we can get top 2, top 3, top 4 any number by changing this condition in the where clause. Give list of products from electronics or mobile category earning revenue in the range of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. To solve this problem, we will use in operator which allows you to specify multiple values in where clause. It is shortcuts for multiple or condition. Here we will specify multiple values electronics and mobile in parentheses separated by commas. Then to get revenue in the range of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs, we will use between operator where we can specify the range. Let's see in the practical. We are using same product table. So this is our table with 20 values in it. To find products category either electronics or mobile, we will give condition in the where clause with in operator where we will specify different values. So let's execute this statement. Here we got only electronics and mobile category. Now we also want to find revenue range between 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. To get that, we will use between operator in where clause to specify values in the range, and operator is used in between. So let's execute this statement. This will give revenue in the range of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. To get the required output, we will combine these two statements with AND clause. So let's execute this statement. In this way, we got output table with only two categories, mobile and electronics, whose revenue is in between 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. What are constraints? SQL constraints are used to specify rules for data in table. That means constraints are used to limit the type of data that can go into table. This ensures accuracy and reliability of the data in the table. If there is any violation between constraints and the data action, then the action is aborted. We can specify constraints at the time of creating table using create table statement, or we can also specify constraints after creating table using alter table constraints. Let's see different types of constraints. Not null. If column specified as not null, then it will not be able to store null value in this particular column. Unique constraint. All the values in that column must be unique. That means this column cannot have repetitive values. Primary key. It is a field which can uniquely identify each row in a table. If any column is specified as a primary key, it cannot have null values and all the values should be unique. Foreign key. It is a field which can uniquely identify each row in another table. Check constraint. This ensures that value in a column satisfy a specific condition. Default constraint. This set a default value for a column if no value is specified. Let's see how we can use these constraints in practical. I have created employee table where I have used different constraints for different columns. I have used primary key constraint for EMP ID column, not null constraint for EMP name column, unique constraint on EMP department column, and check constraint on EMP age column with a condition that EMP age should be greater than 18, and default constraint for EMP salary column. Here I have set default value should be 20,000 for this EMP salary column. Let's execute this employee table. Right now we don't have any entry in the table. First we will see not null constraint. It ensures that the value in that particular column cannot be null. So if we try to insert null value in EMP name column, it will not allow. So let's see. So it is giving error that column EMP name cannot be null because we have used not null constraint on EMP name column. So this value cannot be null. I'm inserting A in EMP name column. Let's see. Now it is executed and the value is inserted in the table. Next we will see unique constraint. It ensures that once the column is specified as with the unique constraint, the values in that column should be unique. So it should have all the unique values in EMP department column. We have already inserted one value with the sales as a department. If we try to insert the same value, it will throw error that duplicate entry cells for key employee department. Let's put analyst in the department column. Now it is executed successfully. Let's see in the table. Yes, we got two entries in the table. Next is primary key. When any column is specified as a primary key, value in that column cannot be null and it should have all unique values. First, we will try to insert value with the same EMP ID 3. It will give error of duplicate entry. Here we will change EMP ID as a 4. Now it is executed successfully and the record is inserted in the table. So the value of this primary key column should be unique. Also, we will see the next criteria. Value in that column should not be null. So let's execute this statement. It is giving error that EMP ID cannot be null. We will assign value to EMP ID as 5 Now it is executed successfully and the record is inserted in the table. So in this way, primary key cannot have null values and all the values in that column should be unique. It cannot have duplicate records when any column is specified as primary key. Next is check constraint. Here we have used check constraint on EMP age column where we have given condition that EMP age should be greater than 18. So if we try to insert any value which is less than 18, it will not allow. So let's try with 16 value in EMP age column. It is giving error that check constraint EMP check 1 is violated. This is because value in EMP age column is less than 18. Let's try with value 20 in EMP age column. It is executed successfully and this record is inserted into table. EMP ID 6, age is 20. In this way, we can use check constraint by giving different condition on that particular column. Next is default constraint. When column is defined as a default constraint and if no value is inserted in that column, then default value is assigned. That means here we are using default constraint on employee salary column. So if we not insert any value for this employee salary column, then by default it will insert 20,000. So let's try. Here I'm not giving any employee salary value. It got executed successfully. Now we will see record in the table. As we have not assigned any value to employee salary column, 20,000 is the default value assigned to this column. So in this way, we can use default constraint by giving default value. If we have created table without defining any constraint, we can assign constraint later on giving alter table command. Here I have created employee1 table and I have not assigned any constraint. By using alter table command, we can assign constraint, alter table, table name, add constraint, constraint name. Here I am giving primary key constraint to EMP ID column. So let's execute this statement. Now primary key constraint is assigned to EMP ID column. Similarly, we will try with unique constraint where I am assigning unique constraint to employee department column. Now unique constraint is assigned to employee department column. We can see this constraint by using describe command. Describe table name will give information about all the constraint assigned to every column. So here we have assigned primary constraint to employee ID column and unique constraint to employee department column. So in this way, even after creating table, we can add constraint by using alter table command. If we want to drop any constraint, we can use drop command with alter command. So let's try to drop unique constraint which we have assigned to employee department ID. So alter table, table name, drop constraint, constraint name. Let's execute this statement. Now it is dropped successfully. We will see table again. It is showing only primary key to employee ID and unique constraint which we had applied on employee department ID, it has been dropped. So in this way we can drop the constraint. We are left with foreign key constraint. As this is big topic, we will cover this in next upcoming videos. Okay, that's it for now. We will learn more SQL questions in part 3. Consistency transforms average into excellence. To maintain consistency in your SQL knowledge, let's enter into a SQL quiz. You can find the list of questions in SQL Challenge playlist. You may submit your answers in comments below and I will help you to find answer in next video. To get more updates on SQL Challenge questions, subscribe the channel Data Universe. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.